And then after they get brown, I actually throw a little bit of water in the pan and put a lid on to like steam it.
Mm.
So when you put the water in the pan, it makes this this sound. I mean, actually, I'm thinking, Michael, your toy for that moment would be perfect.
Awesome. Yeah, we'll do the water. That sounds like a good idea.
Yeah.
So someone has to do the wrapping of the dumplings, or the mixing of the ingredients. I'm sorry.
Yeah. So cute.
I thought that was actually a pretty good suggestion.
Yeah.
Get him to repeat that, on the mixing.
I think it's whenever the spirit moves her is when she talks.
But I agree with David. Maybe there's something to go with that, like the communal sound, that whole thing.
Yeah. I don't know.
Sorry, which sound are we looking for? Which moment in the story?
Like a communal, like wrapping of the dumplings, like.
Okay.
You could build some chords on the violin.
Yeah. Any specific tune?
I don't know. Some wild ones. Some really dumplingy chords.
Dumplingy chords.
Chirpy, light.
Yeah.
It could be a melody too, like something that we can sing or whatever.
I was thinking something with tenuto with the press, the press tenuto, like
press.
You know what I'm saying? Like pressing it down,
Yeah.
Is that too cheesy?
Maybe it can be a combination of that. I'll just make up a melody and like.
Yeah, so I'll be saying something about wrapping dumplings and pressing the things together, and you can do some kind of like a tenuto thing.
Okay.
Oh, that's perfect. Great.
If communal, we could also just hit notes underneath you. If you're talking about harmony, we could all have. We can't do rhythm anything, but we can all hold notes.
Notes, yeah.
Graciela, what do you have with you? Any instruments? Oh, we can't hear you.
I have my voice and I have a keyboard here on the computer that I can.
Okay. Great. All right, so we did the wrapping part, and then Michael will use your. I'll get the pan really hot, and then I'll do the snare drum sounds, and then after they get brown, we pour water into it, and it gets the shh, so you can shake the thing. Put the lid on, open it, serve it, and we'll do some kind of like a eating sound. Yeah. Great.
Can we all just make that sound into the mic?
Or Brian, when I say like now the dumplings are finished and ready to eat, and you can do like a pop 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 or something.
Perfect.
Is that cool? Are we all cool? Oh,
sounds good.
Yeah, we kind of need a moment for you.
No, it's okay. I mean, we can.
What if Graciela narrates?
Oh, do you want to narrate that?
I can narrate which part.
Like all of it.
I don't think I can remember all that, but I mean, I do have access to like at least an electronic piano, so I can add. If you find a spot for me in there, I don't know if you can hear that.
No, you can play some kind of like those notes or something as we're like eating the dumplings.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. That came together. Are we good? I think.
Should we rehearse it once?
Yes.
So I guess I'm gonna be narrating, right?
I think that's the plan. Yes.
Okay. So, 60 seconds. Okay. So, first you start by chopping all the vegetables, and then you mix the chopped vegetables with some meat, and then you wrap the dumplings into the skins, and you are getting together with your family members and having fun, and you're pressing. Go ahead, Ruby. Yeah, pressing the skins together. Now you get the pan really hot, so it will be crackling with the oil. The dumplings, and after they get brown, you pour water. Great. And then you put a spoonful of it, blah, 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 what was it? And then they're finished. Fine. Da, 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 da. And then we eat, and it's a good time. Everybody's having a great time. Alright, I think we're ready.
Perfect. Minus.
What are you doing?
All right, so as everyone's getting settled back in the big room, we hope that was fun. So we're gonna do a little bit of sharing now. So we're just gonna call out the names of each group to go, and then you guys can take it away. First group up to bat will be Oliver, Jennifer, Stephanie, John, Halam, and Carmen.
You can all unmute yourselves.
Okay, so we decided to do the story on my sort of terrifying car experience. So I guess we'll just get started then. So over the summer, I decided to drive a car for the first time. My cousin and I got into the car, and it was exciting, but I was very terrified and very nervous. Everything seemed to be okay. Backed out of the driveway and crashed into the garbage can. After that, I went through the neighborhood. Going straight seemed to be okay.